Hi, this is Hannah, and I'll be walking you through how to cancel an appointment on the Salon platform. Let's get started. Let's walk through how to cancel an appointment. First, head over to the appointments section. Find the booking you want to cancel and open the appointments detail panel and choose cancel there. Or go into the edit form to change the status to cancel or simply change the status to canceled. You can also click the three-dot menu next to it, then select cancel. Once you choose to cancel, a small prompt will pop up asking for the reason. You can pick from the suggested options like unwell or emergency, or type in your own reason. When you're ready, click the cancel appointment button, and that's it. The status will turn red, letting you know the appointment has been successfully canceled. With just a few quick steps, you can cancel appointments smoothly while keeping records clear and organized. It's simple, efficient, and helps you stay on top of your schedule without any confusion.